Discover the Cyclic Sigh, a powerful breathing technique backed by science, designed to significantly reduce stress and anxiety in your daily life. This simple yet effective method, also known as the Physiological Sigh, offers a cost-free and side-effect-free approach to stress management, easily integrated anywhere, anytime. During the pandemic, anxiety and depression rates surged, highlighting a critical need for accessible mental health support. A Stanford medicine study revealed that cyclic sighing, a controlled breathing exercise, effectively lowers stress levels, a finding championed by neuroscientist Andrew Huberman. Practicing this technique for just 5 minutes daily can lead to reduced anxiety, improved mood, and decreased resting breathing rates, signifying overall body calmness. The cyclic sigh is a natural breathing pattern our bodies perform involuntarily, even before falling asleep or during moments of crying. Andrew Huberman adapted this natural reflex into a powerful breathwork practice for stress relief and anxiety reduction, making it a key biohacking tool. To perform the cyclic sigh, begin by finding a comfortable sitting or lying position. First, inhale deeply through your nose until your lungs feel full. Then, take a second, smaller breath to fully expand your lungs, almost like a top-off inhale. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all the air, ensuring this exhale lasts about twice as long as your combined inhales. Repeating this cycle for about 5 minutes helps shift your body from a fight or flight state to a more restful one. Physiologically, the extended exhalation activates your parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest and digest functions. This process increases venous return to the heart, triggering baroreceptor responses that activate parasympathetic pathways, leading to decreased heart rate and blood pressure. The double inhale also puts gentle internal pressure on the vagus nerve, further promoting relaxation throughout the body. Moreover, the deep breaths inflate collapsed alveoli in the lungs, improving gas exchange and reducing carbon dioxide buildup, which is crucial for rapid stress alleviation. The benefits extend beyond stress reduction, including improved mood, better digestion, increased awareness, and enhanced sleep quality. For immediate relief, perform 1 to 3 cycles. For optimal benefits, integrate cyclic sighing into a 5-minute daily practice. Regular practice can lower overall stress levels, improve emotional regulation, and increase mental clarity, making it a powerful tool for your wellness journey. Try this simple yet profound technique now, or share this valuable insight with someone who needs a moment of calm.